Bucksport, Maine. It's kind of cool. I'm going to go across that bridge now. They have an observation tower up there. That would be kind of cool. Don't you think?
A few moments later.
Check out this. I saw this one on social media. So if you're like sitting on the edge of a cliff, right? Overhang and the water's down there.
This trip with the Cabot Trail Biker is part of his annual 9/11 ride, where he rides down to meet with a group of Rolling Thunder, Chapter 2 Maine representatives to do a charity event. People paid to go down, and there was four of us Canadians that showed up. We go down to support Rolling Thunder Maine because, like veteran groups in Canada, they're worth supporting. Rolling Thunder provides support to veterans in need, whether it's building a wheelchair ramp, help with everything they need. That's what they're there for. So as you already discovered, my bike broke down on this trip. Clutch cable went, and temporary fix, I didn't want to go on the day ride. So I was actually given the opportunity to pilot a really nice street glide. It's very stage street, great power. I was actually thrilled that they let me use the ride. So I can't thank them enough for that. But anyway, locals took us around the back roads and secondary highways of Maine, where we got to see some great sights, the suspension bridge, things like that. We also then went to LA Harley Davidson for lunch, and worked our way back to Sugarloaf where we were staying. It took us 2 days to get there, and of course 2 days to get back. On the way back, us, our little Canadian crew, we got to take again some secondary highways we hadn't been on before. But it also gave me a chance to contemplate how my weekend had gone. My clutch cable snapped at about 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, and the level of support from those riding with me and those back at Sugarloaf was outstanding. That speaks quite a bit to the biker brotherhood. As we were on our way back, we get into New Brunswick as the sun's starting to set on our way into St. John. It was a nice day. The weather came around, and we just kept cruising along. Not many gear shifts. Everyone was okay doing long stretches so that I didn't have to worry about stopping. But we did a good ride, and like I said, people stuck with me. I appreciate that more than they can understand. But as we kept on going with the sunset to our backs, I would like like to take this time to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell for future notifications. I'm almost back to the Nova Scotia border now, and I'd like to say coming soon will also be another video. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, so clutch cable went. It broke up in here. So now you can see our jury rig solution. Drilled a hole through there after we fished this little wire through. Drilled the hole through. Fished that through the original casing. We've had some problems here